Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. My name's Tim Martino, Service Manager for PavementGroup.com, and today we're going to showcase our 1992 Power Ray 3-ton infrared combo. This is an early version of what is now Raytech Infrared Corporation, and this machine is part of our certified pre-owned program, which means it's gone over 90 points of inspection to ensure that it meets our standards of quality pre-owned equipment. This machine's been completely sanded down and painted. The infrared panel on the back has a high temperature paint and primer applied to it that's able to handle 2,000 degree temperatures. Same for the inside of the hotbox doors here. It's been painted and primered with the same 2,000 degree temperature paint. Every inch of this machine has been gone through and repaired where needed to ensure that it's going to function properly when you use it for work. We've got new labels installed for user-friendly access. As you can see here, you've got a 12-volt system, and that's to power the infrared heaters in the front for the hotbox, and we've got a 24-volt system that powers the panel in the back, the two blowers for heating the panel. Inside we have 8 brand new 6-volt batteries along with 2 brand new chargers. To keep this thing charged when you're not using it, you simply plug in a lead cord on the other side of the box here. The winch also operates on the 24-volt battery system. It's very easy to use with a toggle switch. We'll just bring it halfway down for demonstration purposes, and I'll also show you that when you're bringing it back up, there's a limit switch here. So when the panel comes all the way up, it sits flat against this switch and it stops it so that you can't bend the panel with the winch by coming up too far. Being that we're back here, we'll go ahead and light the panel up. There's nice labels here to show you how to light it, all kinds of important safety information. You flip the switches here for curbside and roadside. That brings the blowers on. You have your propane tanks on, and you just simply light these up with a hand torch. And that'll just take a minute or two for those to glow red hot. We've had the wheels and off of the machine, inspected the axles, made any adjustments where necessary, re-greased the bearings and repacked them. We've got a new pintle ring installed up front. And what I'll do now is I'll show you how to light the 12-volt hot box in the front, which is as simple as just coming up here and flipping a switch. We've got 2 burners on the inside of the hot box, which has also been sanded down and repainted with a flat aluminum high temperature paint, also capable of withstanding 2,000 degree temperatures. So everything's nice and new in there. The converters were taken out and blown out, cleaned out properly. The controls for this box are in here behind this panel. They are set to factory specs, which means the timers are set up for 9 minutes on and 3 minutes off, so that you don't overcook the material. It kind of radiates and heats it up slowly. And we've got the thermostat set to 300 degrees. So it'll bring that up to 300 degrees nice and slow, give it radiant heat. As I said, we've installed a new pintle ring that's been welded on there. We've got 2 100-pound tanks in the front for the hot box. And we've got 4 100-pound tanks in the back for the infrared panel. Same thing on this side. We've got the 2,000 degree high temp paint. Your shovel door here. Everything's nice and clean. It's almost like a new machine. Once again, we've really brought this thing back to life. Over here is your 120 volt lead cord port. You'll plug your lead cord in here to any household plug and heat these things anytime you're not using the machine. To really maintain these batteries inside. There are 2 brand new chargers, as I said before. We've got great tires on here. These are giant 16.5-inch wheels. All the lights have been gone through, replaced if necessary. Everything works as it should. The blowers have new brushes in them, so they're set to last for a long time. and this machine is ready to go to work. So if you're interested in this machine or any others that we have like it, give us a call or check out our website. That's www.PavementGroup.com, or you can reach us at our central office at 518-218-7676. Thank you and have a great day.